She's going to rip out the ceiling and raise the ceiling 2 feet. That'll be fine.
Hey y'all, Brittany from PrettyHandyGirl.com here today to show you how to make light fixtures work for your low ceilings. If you're like me and you have 8-foot ceilings or maybe slightly lower than 8-foot ceilings, it can be hard to find light fixtures that you love that aren't too tall. Well, I have a couple tips and tricks to show you how to make those light fixtures work for your low ceilings. Come on, let's go ahead and get started. Now that there's no power, I'm going to go ahead and remove the old fixture. Now the old fixture is down, I'm going to go ahead and remove the mounting ring and prepare my new fixture to go on. To shorten a light fixture, you can contact the manufacturer and ask if they can provide you with a shorter downrod or parts to assist you with reducing the height of the fixture. I installed the first light and it's great except for, there's room for me to walk. But my brother-in-law is 6 feet 4 and so he's going to hit his head on this. Unfortunately, the downrod that came with this light fixture is a little bit too long, and I've already called the manufacturer. They sent me this shorter downrod, and it's still too long. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to modify it by using one of the finial ends that they sent me and some chains, and I should be able to raise it enough that my brother-in-law is not going to hit his head on it. Your second option for shortening a light fixture is to use a chain and remove links until you achieve the desired height. Removing links can be done easily by using 2 screwdrivers or pliers and a screwdriver to push in opposite directions against the inside of a link to open it up. To close the links, use the pliers to squeeze the link ends back together. Feed the wires through the links and the threaded loop in your light fixture. These look so good, and I double checked the height. My brother-in-law will fit perfectly underneath, not to knock his head. Hey, pass, Brittany. Make sure you check those doors. Who said that? Yeah, I checked the door. Look. Doesn't come anywhere near it. We're all good. All right, time to pour the ladder. I tried to tell her. Apparently my ceilings are still too low for this light fixture and that door, but I have a plan to make them even shorter, so let me go ahead and show you what I'm going to do. The third way to shorten your light fixture is to remove any chain or downrod altogether. Feed the excess wire through the threaded loop. Then you can attach the light fixture directly to the threaded loop with a quick link, or you can use heavy gauge wire to create your own link. For added strength, I looped my wire through the light and thread loop several times. Time to install your new light fixture. I have a little bit of extra wire here, and I'm going to go ahead and trim this just so I don't have so much extra wire, and then hopefully the door will open underneath the light fixture. Keep your fingers crossed for me, okay? Clip off any excess wire. Follow the instructions for assembly and installation of your light fixture. Install the new mounting bracket. Always connect the ground wire from your house to the ground wire on your light fixture first. Next, locate the white neutral wires. Strip off a small amount of insulation from the wires, twist the neutral wire from your house and the light fixture together and cap them with a wire nut. Repeat the same process for your black or hot wires. Then lift your canopy and you've installed your light fixture. Now the moment of truth. and I have a full fingertip with the spare. Whew. Whew. Future bandit, no barking. No barking, no barking, no barking, no barking. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to click that like button below if you liked it. And hey, don't forget to click that subscribe button up there, and you'll never miss another DIY video tutorial from Pretty Handy Girl again. Speaking of not missing anything, I'm on all these social channels. Come find me at Pretty Handy Girl.